Hi friends, it's Sarah from Ruffles and Rain Boots. I'm going to give you a free file for this bestseller. If you're new to my channel, or I go a little fast for you, go to the YouTube player's cog, then go to playback speed and choose anything above the word normal. Again, just any of your YouTube players, you can find the little cog, which is the settings, go to playback speed and slow it down. As I mentioned, I have a free file. This is uploaded to Atomm, so all you have to do is download and open it. While you're there, be sure to follow me because I'm uploading free files. I'm going to use the cut plate, and when I put in my basswood, I'm going to make sure the wood striation is vertical because we will be engraving. Inside of the system software, we're going to connect our machine and choose your material. I'm just using basswood. After that, make sure the backer piece in red is set to cut and the picture and words are set to engrave. And now we're ready to auto measure. So I'm going to be using the xTool F2, which has auto measure and a camera. I'll show you what that looks like here. If you're using an M1 Ultra or the S series from xTool, you'll auto measure and then use pinpoint positioning to mark the area and position your design versus my camera right here. Next up, we're going to put in our settings. Now, yesterday I burned this exact piece of basswood, and I know that I need to increase the power a little bit, but your settings will be for your laser and your testing. 85, 300, 1 and 100 was fine for my F2's engraving this project. Now, I love the framing on the F2. Let me open and stop this. This will show you exactly where it will work, so it makes it easy. I'm going to turn off framing and go ahead and process. You can see this is going to take about 4.5 minutes. I'm going to hit start. Now, when I hit start on the machine, we start counting down. This is actual engraving on the speed and settings that I have chosen. And then this is sped up. So one thing is when I got to cut, and my cut settings are perfect for this. However, I did have my AP2, which is the Safety Pro Purifier, on max. Totally forgot I did, and watch. Wow. So to make sure I don't burn anything halfway through, I paused it after it cut the little pieces out, and then I'm just going to lift it up, pull those pieces out, and then resume the cut. So just as a note, I'll put it in the Atomm file as well. You definitely want to make sure that is not on max. And you can see now that it's not on max, I'm going to get a lot less char. So let's just let it process, and after it's done, we take off our safety goggles and pull it out. This is straight out of the machine. You can see I have big char on the top and a little char on the bottom. I'm just going to wipe it down to see if I have any soot, and I don't. If you do, make sure to get inside those ribbon holes as well. I'm going to give it a couple swipes with a 120. If you need 220, you can. Here's what it looks like finished, and you can seal it with a spray sealant. You can also quickly make these and then engrave them for custom work, but here they are on a blanket. Be sure to go download your free file from Atomm, and be sure to follow me over there as I upload all my new free designs. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.